Good morning, online owls. It's Mrs. Leach here with your Friday assembly for May 21st, 2021. Let's get started by getting moving. And this is a great one because it's about Star Wars.
Yoo-hoo! It's time for a brain break, the game where we energize our body to ignite our mind. And this game is a game of Star Wars Would You Rather. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great games. In this game, you'll have 10 seconds to choose between two options and 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Here we go with round 1. Which droid would you rather have? R2-D2 or BB-8? If you said R2-D2, you get to do squats. If you said BB-8, you get to punch the speed bag. Time for round 2. Who would you rather face in a lightsaber battle? Darth Vader or Darth Sidious? If you said Darth Vader, you get to do standing elbows to knees. If you said Darth Sidious, you get to balance in star pose. Who would you rather take a long interstellar trip with? Jar Jar Binks or C-3PO? If you said Jar Jar Binks, you get to dance the floss. If you said C-3PO, you get to do the robot. Who would you rather have as your cute, cuddly sidekick? A Porg or Grogu? If you said a Porg, you get to balance in tree pose. If you said Grogu, you get to do standing toe touches. Who would you rather have as your BFF? Finn or Chewbacca? If you said Finn, you get to do squat punches. If you said Chewbacca, you get to do jumping jacks. Whose powers would you rather have? Kylo Ren or Rey? If you said Kylo Ren, you get to balance on one foot. If you said Rey, you get to do the dance of your choice.
It's time for our morning announcements. Check out the Trimester 3 STEM Challenge. It's designing your own mini golf hole and putter. The design is due next Thursday, 5/27 by 3 p.m. We're going to share it on the morning assembly. If you want to, come join me at Tinker Club on Tuesdays at lunch from 12 to 12:40. You can code or build with Legos or blocks, create some art, or just hang out with friends. You can meet me at Ask Mrs. Leach. Sometimes we just hang out and talk. And here's the mini golf challenge, design challenge, okay? You need to access the challenge through your own LASDK8 change.org account. It's time for the Friday joke. What's the difference between a fish and a piano? You can't tune a fish. Have a great day of learning and a fantastic weekend. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in class.